Yeah, and Bill, Candace, they're dealing with these issues while at the statewide level, Virginia is near the bottom across the country in terms of getting those shots into arms, and percentage of shots that they have around 47% as of today. And now local health districts dealing with the shortage issue in Richmond. Henrico making changes to how they are rolling it out. And meanwhile, those who qualify under Phase 1B and 1A say they're still waiting to find out when it will be their turn.
So we're just kind of stuck waiting for, I don't know, a miracle or time to pass.
Bob Johnson describes the wait-and-see approach he's in with getting a COVID-19 vaccine.
Maybe there'll be enough shots someday that they'll get around to us.
Johnson, a 74-year-old in Richmond, qualifies for Phase 1B and says he's made several attempts to get one without success, including contacting his primary care physician, local pharmacies, and healthcare system.
We can't make a reservation and you can't get a shot.
Johnson is not alone in his struggle as much of the state moves into Phase 1B and expands the eligibility pool. But at the same time, local health districts are receiving fewer doses.
The vaccine supply this week is 6,400 between Richmond and Henrico. That's about a fourth of the vaccine that we requested.
Amy Popovich with Richmond and Henrico says as a result, they're pausing some of the partnerships they had set up for distribution and will handle most of it themselves and will be very intentional about splitting them up.
Half of it for seniors, 40% for essential workers, and 10% for our congregate population.
Popovich says even among those groups, older people will get preference. She adds they're preparing a new sign-up system with the state, but says for now, people in Richmond and Henrico, like Johnson, should fill in the interest form on their website, something 60,000 have already done so, and says they'll get back to them as soon as they can.
We can't give you an exact number of days, unfortunately. It really all depends on our vaccine supply.
In Johnson's case, he had not signed up on that page, but did so on a now defunct portion of the state VDH webpage that tells people what phase they are and never heard anything back. A Richmond Henrico spokesperson says while that section has been removed, information for their residents who used it was sent to them and is being added to their local list. Johnson says he just wants to hear from someone and have an idea.
If I knew I was going to get a vaccine in 3 weeks, I would wait 3 weeks. But not knowing whether it's 3 weeks or 3 months, it's a little weird.
Now, we have reached out to the state Virginia Department of Health as well about that sign-up page that's not there anymore, and if the information for all others who had used it had been sent on to the local health departments, and if they plan to add a new statewide portal, and are waiting to hear back. Working for you in Henrico County, Cameron Thompson, CBS 6 News.